guys, welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. I had recently shown you how to make a simple and quick egg bhurji for times when you have a time crunch or just feeling lazy. Today I have brought to you its spicier chatpata version, which is popular in Mumbai as anda bhurji paav. So, shall we start? Heat oil in a pan and add the cumin seeds. When they start to splutter, add the onions and the capsicum. Saute this until the onions are translucent and the capsicum is soft. When the vegetables are nicely cooked and soft, add the ginger garlic paste and give it a mix. Now add the tomatoes and green chilies and also add the salt. Give it a stir and allow the tomatoes to cook until they are soft and mushy. The tomatoes are nice and soft. Now add the spice powders, turmeric powder, chili powder and pav bhaji masala. Give it a mix. Now add the butter. If you are using salted butter, adjust the salt accordingly. Give this a mix. And now add the lightly whisked eggs. Continue to stir and cook the eggs on moderate flame until the eggs are completely cooked. Finally, add the coriander leaves and mix one last time and switch off the flame. The egg bhurji is ready. Now for the paav. Heat a tawa and add some butter. When it sizzles, add some chopped coriander leaves and sprinkle some pav bhaji masala. Mix everything and spread it out on the tawa. Now cut the paav lengthwise and toast it on all sides. Our anda bhurji paav is ready. This can be enjoyed as a breakfast or a snack. Serve it with some hot coffee or tea. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get instant updates from our channel. Thanks for watching.